Good evening to all of you. Welcome to the third day of online program Harnessing Big Data, Business Analytics with Oracle Database. Last day 1 and day 2, we have covered the basic fundamentals of big data and business analytics in big data. Today, day 3, we are going to cover Oracle Analytics and concept. In the main topic, we are having subtopics of fundamentals of Oracle Analytics Cloud, data preparation and transformation, descriptive analytics with Oracle BI, predictive analytics using Oracle machine learning. These are the 4 different topics we are going to cover under Oracle Analytics concepts. Now, fundamentals of Oracle Business Analytics, that is the first topic. Here, we are going to discuss about the overview of Oracle Business Analytics. For example, ETL, data warehousing, OLAP and reporting. How we can do all these process with the help of Oracle Business Analytics. So the first point is data warehousing. We already know the basic concept of data. Now we should understand about the basic concept of data warehousing also. Warehouse, normally we are using the word, it is like a godown. Here the data warehousing means that much amount of huge amount of data getting accumulated and stored in the particular data warehouse. That means the data warehousing is a centralized repository. It is used for storing integrated data from various sources. Yes, we know already the data that has to be come from the different types of the sources, but it has to be accumulated in one particular place, that is called the data repository. That means it is a centralized repository. So it has been used for integration of data from the various sources and store it on the basis of the data which we are getting from the different parts. What are the key concept of data warehousing? It includes the schema design, star and snowflake schemas and common architecture. What do you mean by schema? Schema means nothing but the architecture of the database design. And there are different types of schemas that has to be involved in data warehouse, storing parts of in architecture, for example, star and snowflake. Now, how we can accomplish this particular task with the help of Oracle solutions? Oracle offers solution like a autonomous data warehouse or Exadata, another powerful option. That means that the Oracle which offer the various solution for the data warehousing for storing the centralized data, that means data warehouse. Another one is the powerful option is Exadata. So both the things are helpful to the people to store huge amount of data in the data warehousing concept. For example, the retailer can consolidate sales, inventory, customer data in central repository for analysis. So for example, Amazon, that particular sales, he has to consolidate a huge amount of data in the particular place and make all the inventory and the customer data in the central repository for the analysis. Now we can understand very clearly how this data warehousing is play a very important role for big data business analytics using with the help of Oracle technology. In this, we are having 3 concepts are there, 3 steps are there. ETL. ETL means the first E means extract, T means transform, load means loading. Extraction, transformation, loading. So when we gather the data from the different types of sources, we have to accumulate all the courses and store in the particular data warehouse. How it has to be happen? the data is extracted from the source systems, of course, but when we make the extraction of data from the different source of data, whatever the natural, that means that whatever actual data, that has to come from the different types of sources, but we have to make the transform of those data in an appropriate way. That means that data cleaning, yesterday we talked about the data cleaning and pre-processing. So here the same thing in data is cleansed and transformed. The actual formats or the desired formats or the required formats, whatever it is required, that has to be transformed in the required formats. And the third one is loading. Loading means nothing but the data is loaded into the warehouse. That means that once you are putting all these data in the data warehouse, it has to be segregated. For example, library. In library, how the books are arranged under the classification of the different types of the subjects and the titles or the publisher or various types. But here the data also loaded in the warehouse and it has to be arranged very properly. Finally, we can understand how the Oracle play a very important role here in ETL. There is a concept called Oracle Data Integrator, ODI, Oracle Data Integrator. That means that it automates daily sales data from the multiple source into the central warehouse. ETL is the process of moving data from one place to another place from disparate source systems into the data warehouse. That means that this Oracle Data Integrator, it automatically gets and fetch the data from the different types of sources and make the integration and put up in the formats and store on the particular data warehouse. This is the concept of extraction, transformation and loading. This is a very important concept. With the help of Oracle technology, Oracle Data Integrator, this particular task has to be achieved. Another one is the next topic of the same, OLAP. This is the one type of concept. OLAP means online analytical processing. Online analytical processing. Once you can use this word, online means that is a real time, it gets always changing, but this online analytical processing happens on the basis of various multi-dimensional data analysis. It can be get the quick insights. That is called multi-dimensional analysis. The first concept is multi-dimensional analysis. And second one is, what are the key concept? It consists of the cubes, dimension and measure and utilize the various types of hierarchy. For example, online analytical process, share market or temperature forecasting, it has changed automatically online. But we are going to analyze what are the variations between one place to another place or one time to another time under the various factor. And here how the Oracle plays an important role, Oracle is base. That means, for example, in the financial planning benefits greatly, supports the detailed analysis so that you can get the detailed report with the help of the Oracle is base. For example, analyze the sales performance region wise, product wise and the time period with ease. That means that all these concepts can be done through the online, that is called online analytical processing. So here we are covered multi-dimensional analysis. Multi-dimensional means not only single dimension, multiple ways of approaches we are going to do. And second one is key concept. It also consists of the data cubes, data dimensions and what are the factors or the measures. And finally, we can use Oracle is base for the making the proper planning and it supports the detailed analysis. And reporting and dashboard. Yes, now we gathered all the data, we have integrated all the data and we have stored the data in the required format and then we are going for the online analytical process or a various processing tool with the help of Oracle technology. But how can you make a reporting and dashboards? That is very important. Presentation is very important. If you see this particular slide, you can understand there are different types of charts. There are different types of charts as well as for the dimension of angle and everything is in the graphical form. It is picturized very nicely. So here the reporting and data boards, the first one is visualization. That is very important. Yesterday when we talked about the predictive analysis, how we can predict the future with the help of analysis. Like the same way here, visualization means visualizing data, it simplifies and understanding, it supports decision making. Yes, this data visualization which helps the business leaders to properly take the decisions to get the huge amount of profit, that also understand what is going to happen in the future. That means that you are going to visualize the future in a various way. Second point is OAC, Oracle Analytics Cloud. Yesterday we talked about the cloud. In the cloud environment, we are using the Oracle analytical tools for the purpose of self-service analytics. Automatically you are getting the report that has to be done with the Oracle Analytics Cloud. That means it is a very powerful tool. Oracle Analytical Cloud is very powerful tool where it plays a very important role for the reporting aspects. But what are the different types of reports? Operational reports, it is a day-to-day basis. Strategic report, it is for the long-term basis. Complaints report, it is for the rectification of the mistakes or the action supposed to be taken for the purpose of future success. All these things are very necessary according to the different types of visualization and Oracle Analytics Cloud, like that. Another one is same Oracle Analytical Cloud. If you go for the deep dive, you have to discover the future and benefits, architecture, real world examples, self-service. Here when you say it solve the business problem, examples are always helpful. That means that it gives a lot of ideas for the same problem. It gives a lot of different types of solutions that is coming under the data visualization. But what are the key features and benefits also happens. For example, here we can say how Oracle Analytical Cloud, it is solve the business problem. Examples are always helpful. That means that it will provide automatic tools that provides various types of example reports. The data visualization techniques, for example, we are having different types of charts: bar chart, line chart, pie chart, scatter charts. Bar chart, line chart, pie charts and scatter plots. Here the best practices, we can choose any type of the particular chart and we can use the visualization purpose so that we can predict the learning with the help of Oracle Analytical Cloud, which customize the interactive data. For example, compare the sales trends within a line chart, like that. So what are the real world applications using basic Oracle data analyticals? Here healthcare, finance, retail, manufacturing. In healthcare, it improves the patient outcomes through the data analysis. Example, readmission in rates, evaluate the treatment effectiveness. In healthcare, when a doctor treat the patients, then automatically various types of reports he is gathering but put up in the particular place, and we will go for the different types of analysis report. This Oracle Cloud tool, so that it has to be spreaded over the network. So many people analyze that analytical powerful tool which gives the proper solution with the help of data visualization. Second, when we talk about the finance, it detects the fraud and manage the risk, ensure the regulatory compliance, monitor AML compliance. That means that detect the final any fraudulent activity. For example, yesterday I told you the example of online banking, net banking, mobile banking. Wherever the network, that means it has to be spreaded all over the net. But to avoid these fraudulent transaction and everything, these real world applications are handled very properly with the help of Oracle Cloud Analytics. And retail business also, the customers and personalized marketing, it will optimize the benefits to the business people as well as for the customers. In manufacturing sector, it will predict the quality. It will predict the quality for the future purpose to maintain the very good drive process improvement. Example, optimize the production in the efficiency. So these are all the various types of applications or examples we can say about the Oracle Business Analytics. So what are the benefits we are getting out of it? The first one is improved decision. Improved decision is nothing but whatever the decisions we are going to take are based on the past historical data. Yesterday when we talked about the different types of business analytics, one is prescriptive, diagnostic, predictive. All these analytical tools yesterday we have seen. But when we talk about the diagnostic studies, So whatever the data we gather with the help of various analytical tool, we will take a decision for the predictive analytics. That means that can be done with the help of Oracle Business Analytics. That is called, it improves the decision. Data driven action lead you to the better choice, competitive insight from your strategy. And second point is, it enhances the efficiency. Efficiency is nothing but whatever the process happening for the data extraction or data transformation or data loading or any predictive, everything like that, it has to be automated insights. It reduces the huge amount of the cost. And third benefit is increase the revenue. So once you are going to get the proper prediction for the market, then automatically your revenue of your business get increased for every business. It may be a personalized or company or general. And fourth point is customer relation. So you want to maintain the good relation with the customers, keep on moving with the customers, that makes the make you to satisfy the customer needs and requirements. So up to now what we studied, first topic we have covered now, that is fundamentals of Oracle Business Analytics. Second point is data warehousing fundamentals. Third point is ETL. ETL means extraction, transformation, loading, and OLAP means online analytical processing. And reporting and dashboards, we are having visualization, OAC and its types. And Oracle Analytical Cloud, which helps for the deep dive to make lot of analytical tools with the help of big data, business analytics. And data visualization technique also, we are having various types of presentation types. And what are the real world application which can be utilized with the help of Oracle Business Analytics. So benefits, what are the benefits are here? Improved decision, enhanced efficiency, increased revenue, and last one is customer relationship. So second topic, today's second topic is data preparation and transformation in Oracle Big Data. Very, very important. Data preparation, how can you prepare the data? How can you transform this data? How can you this? This is a very, very big challenging one. Addressing big data challenging in Oracle environment, there is a big challenging one. It explore the strategy for the data preparation, transformation and governance. That means that once you prepare or gather, whenever you start gathering for the data from the different types of resources, automatically you can understand how it's very, very important for the preparation and how, what are the things to be done for the transformation of the data. So understanding big data in the Oracle ecosystem. Yesterday, first day we talked about the big data, same volume, velocity, variety, veracity, but here according to the Oracle they are adding two more points here, volume, velocity, variety. Last class we talked about only 3 V's as per the data definition of big data, but here Oracle big data means volume, velocity, variety, veracity, value, 5 V's. But when we talk about Oracle big data solution, same Hadoop, Spark, NoSQL, data warehousing. Hadoop, Spark, NoSQL, these are all coming under the Apache toolkits. And data warehousing concepts are also available. Oracle big data solution, it has a very, very powerful solution for the data warehousing. And unique data challenges, what are the challenges? Because of inconsistent format, scale and real-time needs, we are having these challenges once we start understanding about the big data in the Oracle ecosystem. So how can you prepare the life cycle for your data? How can you prepare the life cycle data preparation? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The first one is data discovery. Data discovery is nothing but to find out the actual data or whatever the data is required for the particular business. We have to gather, profiling the data sources, identify the data, different types of the data types. The second point is data integration, moving data into the big data environment. That means that data ingestion. That means that ingestion means moving data, whatever we gather the data, that we have to put up everything in our actual data, big data the environment where you are using the technology. The third point is data cleaning. It is handling the missing value, correcting whatever the problems we are facing for after collecting the data, any missing values or any error values like that, then handling missing values and correcting the error, that is the concept are coming under the data cleaning. And the fourth one is data transformation. As we know that once we are going to change the format of storing the values or converting the data into the usable format, that is coming under data transformation. The last one, data enrichment, adding the value by integrating external sources. That means that we want to enrich the data by way of adding the value and integrate the value from one to another with the external sources. These are the data preparation lifestyle. What are the key data transformation techniques? Data type conversion, data aggregation, data filtering, data joining, data standardization. All students kindly note down. Data type conversion. Data type conversion is nothing but converting the string to the number, number to the string, or the type has to be changed from one to another. That is called data type conversion. Another one is data aggregation. It summarizes all the data and higher level to the granularity. That is data aggregation. Data filtering means select the relevant data on the specified condition and the criteria. Selecting the relevant data based on the specific criteria, that is called the data filter. Suppose, and data joining, combining the data from the various types of resources. And the fifth point, data standardization, ensuring the data consistency and done. We can take an example. Suppose for example, for our university students, more than 25,000 students, huge amount of data we are gathering in the multiple formats. Then we are going to summarize all the data about the students. Then unnecessary data we are going to remove and get the actual data which is required on the based on the condition. Finally, we are going to combine the data. Finally, we got to enrich the data and make the presentation. Suppose for example, how many students are placed in the companies during the year 2024. According to the base of the data, I can summarize according to the various conditions. All these terms are coming under the data transformation techniques. Data wrangling with Oracle transforms. That means visual data built-in custom. That means that what do you mean by data wrangling with Oracle data transfer? Oracle, which helps you for transformation of data from one place to another place, that automatically it also visual data preparation, drag and drop interfaces. It has consist of drag and drop interfaces to make the presentation very well. Built-in cleaning and aggregation automatically happens during the type of data wrangling. And customer transformation, SQL. SQL, what is the meaning of SQL? Structured query language or any Python functions we can incorporate to make the activity in Oracle transforms. So what are the leveraging Spark for the data transformation? Apache Spark, one type of tool. Distributed processing engine for the big data, very important tool, Apache Spark. Second one, Apache SQL, Spark SQL, Apache Spark SQL. Query means question and transform the data using SQL, structured query language. PySpark or Spark data frame. All these things are helpful for leveraging the Spark for the data transformations. Now, data quality and cleaning strategies, handling the misvalue, error detection, duplicate creation, data validation. That means that we have to handle the misvalues, imputation, deletion, default values, whatever the problems we are facing this misvalue, that can be maintained for the maintenance of the data quality, and we have to find out the data detection, and duplication also we have to identify and remove the duplicate records. Finally, data validation. This is very important. Unnecessary data, it kills the data perfection. That means that huge amount of memory also waste, and there are a lot of confusions also happens if you have unnecessary data in your place. So finally, data governance and security. Yes, government also, governance means the rules and regulations which make the data very perfectly. Data lineage, data masking, access control, all these mechanisms will make the proper arrangement of the security of data. So what are the best practices of the preparation? You can easily find out, understand the requirement, profile your data, automate the task, implement the quality checks. Once again repeating, what are the best practices? Understand the requirements, profile your data, automate the task, implement quality checks. These are the various best practices for the data preparation. Sir, 5 minutes break. Now I am giving 5 minutes break. Yes, sir. Now we are going to discuss about Oracle BI Descriptive Analyticals Overview. What do you mean by BI? BI means Business Intelligence. BI means Business Intelligence. Unlocking insights, the power of what happened. Suppose what happened means, so if you see this dark screen, we are getting confused. That's why I am putting the dark screen. But here I am reading here, we are unlocking the insights, the power of what happened. What actually happened in the background of the big data? What actually happened? It is totally a blank, or we can say that we don't understand. Here there is a two words, sales and customer behavior, but we don't know. But this Oracle business, there are the key features for descriptive analytics which can help us to understand different types of technology to prepare the various types of charts and pictorial representation with the help of Oracle Business Intelligence. Business Intelligence, it is type of tool for Oracle Big Data. It encompasses all amount of data that group together, and on the basis of the conditional query made by the person, overall whatever the data is required, and it gives the presentations like that. So the core components of architecture overview is, yes, so unlocking the insight, the power of what happened. So here we are using Oracle Descriptive Analytics, which give the answer to the different types of questions, what actually happened. That means that whatever the past performance and trends, examples we can talk about sales or customer behavior or efficiency. Yesterday we talked about the descriptive analysis, where we are analyzing the historical amount of data, whatever it is called the future purpose of taking the strategic decision. For example, tracking web traffic to identify the popular pages. So what are the different types of strategic business decision also depends on the sales and the customer behavior. So the power of what happened, that can be happened with the Oracle Business Intelligence tools. So here you can say that the descriptive analytics features, Oracle BI, which offers the robust features, reporting, dashboard and ad hoc analysis. It is a KPI index, knowledge performance index, key performance index factors, ad hoc analysis, which empowers the powers for the data preparations. What I try to say that whatever all the data we combined or grouped together, we transformed this Oracle Analytics Cloud and Oracle Data Visualization, which are the specific tools to analyze and make the report and the dashboards, and which will also go for the ad hoc analysis on the running time. So what are the core components and architecture view? There are three things. What do you mean by ETL? Extraction, transformation, loading. But before that, all the data is coming from the different types of the data resources. It is a ETL processes are starting. Then metadata. What do you mean by metadata? Data about data. Where it is stored, how it is stored, what is the concept of particular data, and data about the data is called metadata, and all those things are coming into the analytical engine, which makes a powerful ETL process as well as for the databases and the cloud services. ETL means it extracts transformation load into the warehouse, where the metadata layer defines business terms of consistent analysis. To make the consistency, this analysis can be done only with the help of metadata layer. Now, what are the benefits of BI descriptive analytics? Improved decisions, Enhanced monitoring, already we know that. Descriptive analysis, what are the actions? So we are taking different types of action to improve the particular purpose of sales. This is an example. Segmentation, trend analysis, forecasting, like that. And what are the customer, another example, we have to find out the customer behavior, and based on the data which is accumulated in the data warehouse, understand buying pattern. We are going to classify the customer by the way of different types of the customer on the basis of different condition. We have to identify how it can be possible with the help of only the Oracle Business Intelligence tools. Oracle Business Intelligence tools, don't forget. And customer segmentation, different segments based on the behavior, and churn analysis. It also predict the customer churn and interest. So how can you implement Oracle Business Intelligence for descriptive analytics? We have to define the needs, data modeling, ETL development. So start by defining the business requirement. What actually the required for the analysis part? First you have to define. Then you have to design the data warehouse schema. That already we know. Schema is nothing but the architecture of the particular database. Create ETL process, extraction, transformation and loading process. Build a visualization. Train the user to use the Oracle Business Intelligence tools efficiently. Very, very important. Train the people to make the Oracle Intelligence. Finally, we come to the point of best practices and key consideration. How can you accrue or ensure the data accuracy and completes for the quality, data quality, data governance, scalability, all those can be achieved with the help of Oracle Business Intelligence tools. Now, in the conclusion of data preparation and transformation, Oracle Business Intelligence tools play a very, very important role, especially with the help of through the descriptive analytics. It is a data-driven decisions that lead for the success. It leverage Oracle Business Intelligence, transform your business. That means that its capability is transform your business with a huge amount of data. So finally, you are getting the huge success because of the data intelligence. Now, for summary of the third point, Oracle Business Intelligence, it is a descriptive analytical tools we are improving like that, and the power of what happened with the help of Oracle Business Intelligence, we find out the various types of data and analysis we have done. Then finally, it informs the strategic business decisions. It helps that. Finally, we are going to prepare different types of the tools of the presentation. There are the three different types: reporting, dashboard, and ad hoc analysis. And finally, we come to the core component: data source, ETL process, metadata analytical engine. This is one example about the sales performance. Finally, we are going to have the customer segmentation churn analysis for the sales aspect. So implementing Oracle Business, these are the various three steps: define the need, data modeling, ETL development. These are the best practices we are using for the consideration for the proper maintenance of the data with the help of Oracle BI, Business Intelligence, data quality, data governance, and scalability. So conclusion, so we unleash the data insight with the Oracle BI. That means that through the descriptive analysis with the help of Oracle Business Intelligence tool, all the decisions can be taken very, very carefully with to get the high success. It is a confirmed here. So resources, including the documentation, training, and consulting, all these things are possible with the help of Oracle BI capabilities. So now we cover up the third point of today's session. Now once again I am giving 5 minutes break. Now we are coming to the fourth topic of today's session, that is predictive analytics with Oracle machine learning. Predictive analytics with Oracle machine learning, OML. OML is nothing but Oracle machine learning. Last class we have talked about the machine learning and artificial intelligence, but here we are going to discuss about the Oracle machine learning, which is offer the learning capabilities It also empowers the data scientists, business analysts, IT professionals. It also achieves the improved decision making, increased efficiency and competitive advantage. These many advantages we are getting with the help through Oracle Machine Learning, OML. Oracle Machine Learning. Now, what do you mean by Oracle Machine Learning? It consists of three important points. That is, OML provides integrated machine learning within Oracle database. OML provides, it is integrated with the Oracle database itself. It supports the classification, regression, clustering and anomaly. All the database concepts handled with the help of OML, Oracle Machine Learning, which supports for better understanding. For example, data scientists can build and deploy modes directly in the database. Through the database, the scientists can develop the different types of model. It reduces the data movement and enhances the processing speed. What are the key components of data Oracle Machine Learning? OML comprises OML 4 SQL, OML 4 Pi, OML services. These are the various three components are Oracle Machine Learning. Each components are make the machine learning task very comfortably with the Oracle Business Intelligence tool. That means business analytical tools. What are the core features of Oracle Machine Learning? The first point, automated machine learning, AutoML. It simplifies the model building and selection. It also steps in the machine learning process. That means that it will simplify the complete process of the designing aspect of database. Second point, it embedded with data processing. Embedded means cooperate with other database, other systems for the data preparation, and it is optimized data pre-processing and reduce the data movement. Third point, algorithm support. This wide range of algorithm supports which choose the best algorithm for the specific purpose. Last one, AI, XAI, explainable AI. It provides insight into the model predictions. All these things are the core features of Oracle model machine learning. And what are the different types of case studies we are having? Customer churn prediction. What is the problem? Identify the customer likely to the churn. What is the data we are going to democratize? Find out the solution. The benefit is targeted the campaigns, reduce the churn and increase the loyalty. And use case number 2, fraudulent detection. It is very popular for the detect the fraudulent transaction in the real-time basis in financial department, and data transaction details, account information, user behavior, location data. All these data can be utilized for the find out the actual detection of fraudulent transaction. Solution, anomaly detection algorithms, one class SEM, support vector machine, isolation forest. All these solutions can be done with the help of Oracle Machine Learning. The finally we are getting the huge amount of benefits and the profit, reduced the fraud losses, improved the security and enhanced customer trust. So another one is predictive maintenance. Problem is equipment failure. We are going to predict what happens the equipment failure in the manufacturing industry. Data, sensor data and maintenance logs and environmental conditions. Solution, regression algorithm, linear regression, natural network. It is coming under the machine learning. What are the benefits? It reduces the cost, increase the uptime, improve the machine efficiency also. Finally, the Oracle there are, I already told you different types of Oracle components. That is the machine learning with SQL, SQL integration, efficient processing, wide support and easy learn, OML 4 SQL, OML 4 Pi. This is also with Python. OML 4 Pi is machine learning with Python. What are the benefits for the Oracle management? Once again I am repeating, improved accuracy, faster time, reduced cost. So finally we come to the conclusion of the fourth point. Conclusion is unleash the power of predictive analysis with the OML. OML means Oracle Machine Learning, which transform the benefits it turns the data into actionable insight. Start using OML today, which makes for the better understanding as well as to take the proper decision making, and also helps from the Oracle documentation, tutorials, community forum. Everywhere it has to be spreaded with the insights of Oracle business analytics with OML. Now, quiz session. I am posting the questions in the chat window. Around the 10 questions we are going to post. All the students supposed to answer all the questions.